Hey everyone, tired of those pricey protein bars? Let's make our own. It's way easier than you think and a whole lot more fun. Plus, we get to sneak in our favorite flavors. Who's ready to get started? Making your own protein bars is like a superpower. You control the ingredients, the sweetness, and best of all, the flavor. No more boring cardboard tasting bars. Let's get this protein party started. Before we start our protein bar adventure, let's gather our trusty sidekicks. These ingredients are the foundation of our delicious and nutritious homemade protein bars. Each one plays a crucial role in creating the perfect balance of taste and health. These ingredients are the heart and soul of our homemade bars. From the base to the mix-ins, every component adds its unique flavor and texture. Don't worry, they're all easy to find. A quick trip to your local grocery store or a peek into your pantry, and you'll have everything you need. Rolled oats, our trusty base, full of good stuff. This will be ground into oat flour, but we will go over that later. Oats are packed with fiber to keep you full and satisfied. Protein powder, for that muscle building power. Choose your favorite flavor to add a personalized touch to your bars. I find it better to use a casein protein over a whey protein for a better consistency. Nut butter, creamy and oh so delicious. It adds a rich, smooth texture and healthy fats to keep you energized. Any nut butter will do. Honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar for a touch of natural sweetness. These natural sweeteners not only enhance the flavor, but also provide a quick energy boost. And of course, your favorite mix-ins. This is where you can get creative and add whatever you wish. Think chocolate chips, dried fruit, or nuts. See? Simple stuff. These mix-ins add bursts of flavor and texture, making each bite a delightful experience. With these ingredients in our pantry, we're well on our way to protein bar heaven. So, let's get started and create some delicious, homemade protein bars that are perfect for any time of the day. Alright, let's get down to business. Get ready to make some delicious and healthy protein bars that are perfect for a quick snack or post-workout boost. Making these protein bars is as easy as pie. You don't need to be a master chef to whip these up. Don't you worry, I've got your back with these simple steps. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can make these. First, grab your trusty food processor or blender and toss in those oats. Oats are a great base for our protein bars. Whirl them around until they are a fine powder. This will give our bars a nice smooth texture. You need a half cup of this oat flour. You can also buy oat flour ready to go, which will cut out the step of blending the oats, making it even easier. Now, add 1.5 cups of protein powder, 2 cups of nut butter, and a half cup of sweetener of choice. You can use honey, maple syrup, or even agave nectar. Blend it all up until it forms a sticky, dough-like mixture. If it's too thick or crumbly, you can add water until a firm batter remains. Next, time for the fun part. This is where you can get creative. Stir in your favorite mix-ins. Chocolate chips? You bet. They add a delightful crunch and sweetness. How about some chopped nuts? Go for it. They provide a nice texture and extra protein. Let your imagination run wild. You can add dried fruits, seeds, or even coconut flakes. Finally, line a baking pan with parchment paper. This will make it easier to remove the bars later. Press that delicious mixture firmly into the pan, making sure it's nice and even. This ensures that the bars hold together well. Pop it in the fridge to chill for about an hour. This helps the bars set and makes them easier to cut. Once your bars are nice and firm, cut them up into squares or bars. Make sure to use a sharp knife for clean cuts. And that's it. Told you it was easy peasy. Now, you have a batch of homemade protein bars ready to enjoy. Perfect for any time of the day. You did it. You followed all the steps, put in the effort, and now you have a batch of delicious homemade protein bars to show for it. Now go devour those bars. Take a moment to savor that first bite. Feel the texture, taste the flavors, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Look at you, a regular protein bar making champion. You've not only made a healthy snack, but also a tasty one. Now for storage advice. Store your homemade protein bars in an airtight container in the fridge. This will keep them fresh and ready to grab whenever you need a quick snack. Or you can store them in the freezer for up to 6 months. In the fridge, they'll last for a good week or two, but let's be honest, they'll probably be gone long before then. These bars are just too good to resist. So go on, grab a bar or two, and give yourself a pat on the back. You've earned it. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing exactly what went into your snack. And hey, if the first batch isn't perfect, no worries. Every great cook has a few trial runs. That's just part of the fun of experimenting in the kitchen. Share them with friends, get their feedback, and tweak the recipe to your liking. Happy snacking! Please like and subscribe, and put a comment down below about how your bars turned out. Thanks for watching.